Bonjour classe, français 4 et 5. Comment ça va, mes amis? This is it, the big push till the end of the school year. So, just like last week, I decided to do something fun with you guys. Let's take a look at French proverbs. So proverbs are expressions that have kind of a metaphor involved in them that teach a lesson. It's an expression that you might say like, I don't know, every dog has its day. Things your grandma might say. I feel like some of these proverbs are kind of old-fashioned, but it's still fun to see what the French say. And we have other ones in English. Every rose has its thorn. Silence is golden. So what I'd like you to do is, as you watch the video, I'm going to just go through them, pronounce them for you. There are little helpful cartoons, cheesy cartoons, to see if that helps you to understand what they're talking about. And then see if you can translate them into a comparable English proverb. Because these are proverbs, these are expressions and sayings that we also have in English, even if they're worded slightly differently. We do have these same sayings. You might even want to enlist other members of your family who know their proverbs to help you with some of these if you have a hard time translating. So let's start with the first one over here. Mieux vaut tard que jamais. Take a look at the picture, the date on the calendar. What's happening here? Mieux vaut tard que jamais. And the next one. La parole est d'argent, mais le silence est d'or. Just looking up a few of those words, maybe even recognizing those right off the bat, we've got some good cognates here, will help you to know what the proverb is talking about. Let's do some more. Qui ne risque rien n'a rien. Et il n'y a pas de rose sans épines. What could that be talking about? I might have given you a hint earlier in the video. Wink, wink. Here are some more. Un ami dans le malheur est un vrai ami. And this one over here, kind of like the image they've chosen for it. La pratique fait la perfection. 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 You can probably figure that one out right away. Continue. Tout ce qui brille n'est pas or. Et qui remet toujours au lendemain trouvera malheur en chemin. That one kind of rhymes. Here are a few more. Scroll, scroll, scroll. Reculer avant de sauter. What lesson could be learned here? And on reconnaît l'arbre à son fruit. We have that one in English. The last two. Do you know the story of the tortoise and the hare? That will help you to understand what the proverb is talking about. Qui veut aller loin ménage sa monture. Qui veut aller loin ménage sa monture. Et finalement, this guy standing aside from this crowd here, il vaut mieux être seul que mal accompagné. Il vaut mieux être seul que mal accompagné. Okay, there you go. Translate those proverbs, see what they're talking about. See if you can guess what their relationship to our English proverbs are, and just have a little bit of fun of reading and translating. That is it for this week because we're almost done. I'm going to have one more video for you guys next week, so hang in there. Thank you to everyone who has participated so far, and I'll talk to you one more time la semaine prochaine. Merci, à bientôt et au revoir.